dried up, revealing the scorched and fertile bed of this frowned land we all inhabit. I'd cry, but the pressing futility deprives me of this sense. Damn you, Wilson, you machine of pain. How I threw the bounty of my heart against your cold steel misery mechanism to watch it splat like bugs against the windshield of your impoverished, wicked spirit.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking about Wilson.
Oh!
And I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna nuke him!
How are you gonna get a nuclear bomb?
Well, I'll tell you. I found a passage to another dimension.
Just as no matter can be created or destroyed, nothing that flies can land as not a thing, but they take shape in a new world.
Where the fuck are the weapons? Piece of crap. Anything in there? Mother! What the fuck is up with this namby-pamby town? They must be keeping the nukes from me. Yeah. Just keeping them all to themselves, huh? Maybe they hide them in here. No one would suspect it here except me, huh? No one would... What the fuck is that noise? Hey, what the... Who the fuck are you? Shut up! Who the fuck are you?
My name's Chester. I find treasure. I find treasure wherever I go. Yeah, the other day I just love rocking and loving.
So, do you know where they keep the nukes around here?
Let's see. That's the nature spirit. He's real good. I find treasure wherever I go.
The nature spirit, huh?
Of his front feet. I see squawking, poppycock, chickens scribble up and down this dump. My clock is set on spin. My alarm always will sound to use chicken, a fried deep. Darn feathers, darn feathers, darn feathers, darn feathers, darn feathers, darn feathers, darn feathers. God, brothers, just now in my heart. Who would want to nuke Mr. Wilson? Destroy the polyamorous chicken.
Looks like things are gonna be tougher than they thought. Now I gotta find some nature spirit. And on top of that, the boss just got it. So I guess I should set that straight first. Don't worry, boss man. I'll send you back
Yes, my slave. I appreciate your efforts. Now go find weapons!
So you're the nature spirit?
Yeah, that's me.
Think you can show me some magic?
Yeah, you know it. That was the
Like,
two-step.
like...
You're getting that.
that
Hey!
feels good, yeah.
Hey there! Cleveland!
Magic! What you're saying is, all I gotta do is find the right rock to do the right thing, and you can get whatever you want out of that, huh? Just gotta find the right rock.
Big head. Big head. Come in, big head.
I'm here.
Big head, I really need you to get a move on finding these nuclear weapons to get Mr. Wilson. Pronto!
You're kidding me! Kid's alive! I took his fucking head off! Yeah.
Destroyed the amorous chickens.
You know it! He's good as dead! Just use the secret magic I've learned. Come on, magic! Pull me a nuke! Oh, right. Magic!
Big head, I'm dead again!
Look at this guy spraying bugs. And her with a parasol. They know what they're doing. They're happy.
It's a great night to be a chicken alive tonight. I sure hope that evil chicken man killer doesn't come out and kill us just because I want to nuke Mr. Wilson. I don't even know what the big problem is. I don't think many of you people even like Mr. Wilson too much. In fact, I think he's a jerk. I don't like anything Mr. Wilson. Oh my God!
Is good.